In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a website as a source on Noodle Tools. We're going to click on New Source. We are going to be citing a website. We're going to be citing a specific page on the website, not the website in its entirety. So this is the website that I want to cite today, and we are going to be looking for specific types of information that Noodle Tools wants us to identify. The first thing that Noodle Tools wants is the direct URL to the page. So I'm going to hop over to the web page, go to the URL line, copy it, hop back over to Noodle Tools, paste it within that bar. And the next thing I'm looking for is the date of publication. When was this published? That's important because with specific types of information, information tends to go out of date. So usually we're looking for something that has been updated pretty recently. Sometimes you're not going to be able to find that date, and that's okay. How citations work is, if you cannot find the information after giving a good thorough look, you omit it or you leave it out. I know this article actually has that date for us. It tells you right here the last time it was updated, Friday, March 1st, 2019. You can also find that date sometimes at the end of the article. For this particular one, because it's a pretty good educational site, it tells you all the information you actually need to cite it properly. So as I said before, March 1st, 2019 is the last time that this was updated. I'm going to go drop down to March 2019. Now the most recent date of access, what that means is when did you last look at the page? That would be today. So you click on today and it will fill it in for you. Under contributors, that means who is responsible for creating the source or coming up with this information for us. So sometimes you are not going to be able to find the author or the editors of the source, and that's all right. Let's see what we can find under credits here. So we have the director, overall director of the National Geographic Society. That's not going to do. And it looks like they're actually saying the author of the source is National Geographic. All right, that's an organization. That's not a specific person. So we're not going to include anything here because there is no specific person responsible. It's just the organization as a whole. So we're going to skip that part. Now we're looking for the web page or document article title. So let's hop back over to our web page. And our article title can usually be found in bold at the top of the web page. So I'm going to copy that. It's Key Figures of Ancient Egypt. Now it's very important when you're putting your information into Noodle Tools that you're using proper grammatical punctuation. We are capitalizing each piece of that title. And now I would like the name of the website. Our website title is National Geographic. Just to make sure, we can scroll down here. At the very, very bottom of the web page, you will have all the information you need. National Geographic, again, is the title. And then we can see right here, near that C, this is the copyright information, that the National Geographic Society is our publisher or website sponsor. National Geographic. Make sure that's spelled correctly. And then the publisher of the site would be the National Geographic Society. If our teacher is instructing us to create an annotated bibliography, what we would do at this point is we would take the notes that our teacher would like us to comment on or notice right here in this annotation spot. We might talk about what our thoughts were on the article or some main points that we want to highlight later on. And that way, when we are publishing our annotated bibliography, we remember what exactly it is we wanted to note for our research. So at this point, we have all the information that we need about the source. We have the publisher, the website title, the article title. We did not have a specific author. We have the date we accessed it and the date it was published, as well as the URL. We're going to go ahead and save that. And here is the web page citation that we just created. In the following video, we will show you how to add a note card to Noodle Tools.